Hello guys, welcome to the engineering code. And today in this lecture we will see on like how to create a file in Linux. So there are actually multiple ways to create a file in Linux, but mostly we use two method to create a file. So first thing is like we have a command itself for this, which we can use to create a file. The name of that command is touch command. So this is the command. So suppose you want to create a file a.txt. Okay, so you want to create a file a.txt. So what you can do is you can just use uh, touch and then a.txt. So this will create your file. The second way to create a file is using the vi editor. So like there are multiple editors, like there are many kind of editor in Linux, like vi editor, nano editor, and vim is also there. I think vim and vi both are same. Okay, so you can use this like we have notepad, notepad plus plus, and windows. Similarly we have vi editor, nano editor, and vim editor in Linux. So we can have multiple editors. Mostly we use vi editor and it is most used by the developers. So what we can do, if you have any idea about the vi editor, then what you can do is you can just use vi. Suppose I want to create another file b.txt. So what I can do is I can use vi b.txt. So once you do this, one empty file will be created. This here you can give your content, whatever you want to put there. Suppose I'm just putting abcd, like whatever. Once you're done with all that thing, or suppose like if you don't want to enter anything now, just you want to create a file, a blank file, what you can do, you just press the escape key, esc, in your keyboard. Once you press it, yeah, then what you can do, you can use colon wq and this sign. Once you do this, your file will be created. So this is another way to create a file in Linux, but mostly like if you are a beginner and you don't have much idea about vi editor, then you can use this touch command. So this command is basically made for creating the files. So you can use touch a.txt and you can create multiple files also using touch command. Just give touch a.txt, b.txt, and c.txt, and it will create 3 files. Okay. One more thing that I want to tell you is touch is used to create file, not directory. So directory means folder and file is file in both Windows and Linux. So touch command is used for file. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching.